In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit System section. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, use Theme section available here and scroll to click on all of those icons at the top right corners. This way you can see all available themes. To get one, just tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher at the bottom right corner. And last but not least, use Apply button. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Now, if you want to customize it, you can always go back to the same section of your settings and use plus icon under my themes. Then click on the photo you want to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Now, if you want to manage any of your existing themes, you can go back to the same section. To delete one of your downloaded ones from My Themes, mostly to get rid of the clutter, just click on it and tap on this bin. You can always get it the same way as before. To edit or delete one of your custom ones, click on it and operate those two options at the top right corner. This pen, which is Edit option, and this bin, which is Delete one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!